How to create a route in Strava app. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how you can create a route on your Strava app using your mobile phone. The first thing you need to do is to open your Strava app on your mobile phone, then you wait for it to load. Once you've ensured that it has loaded, the app will be launched on your phone, and on your phone you'll be directed to the home page. On the home page, we have several icons at the lower part of the screen. We have the home icon, we have the maps icon, we have the record icon, we have the groups icon, then we have a lot more. So now you are going to create a route on this app. So what you need to do is to create maps, is to click on maps. Maps icon is just after the home icon. Once you click on the maps icon, you wait for the maps icon to load. Then once it has loaded, it will display the map of wherever you are, wherever the location where you are. Then at the lower part of the page, we have the segments, we have the route, then we have the saved. Now because you are creating a route, you simply click on route. Route is just after segment. You click on routes, then you wait for it to load. So here, for you to be able to create a route on Strava app, you simply have to subscribe to their app. Like I have here. Here I don't have a subscription. For you, since you are interested in creating a route, you would need to subscribe to their app. So what you can do here is to click on the start your free trial that is just at the lower part of the page. Then you wait to be directed to the page where you'll be given details. On this page that you're directed to, you'll be given more details of the options that you've chosen. So at the lower part of the page, you have the continue icon. So you continue icon, and after that you'll be brought to another page where at the lower part of it you have the start free trial icon. So once you click on the start free trial icon, just like I've clicked on it here, then a drop down menu will be displayed showing you the amount of money you need to pay for you to subscribe to the Strava app. So since you want to create a route, you simply click on the start free trial. So once you click on it, you would be directed on how you need to pay, the options you need to pay. So here I have the add credit or detail or debit card or pay with payment, pay with bank account. So you can choose any of these options as you so desire. So once you've done subscribing, then you can go ahead and create a route on your Strava app. Thank you.